On the days that I don't feel like cooking, this Bang Bang Salmon always saves the day. Crispy, saucy, and done in less than 30 minutes. Let's get into it. All right, to begin, I have about a pound of salmon that I'm going to dice. You can cook it as a whole or you can dice it. Now, when you dice it, it's better, I feel like, because the seasoning get on every part of the salmon. But of course, like I said, you can cook it as a whole. This is a leftover salmon that I had. I had to put it into use. Nothing waste in this house, okay? The way everything is so expensive, use every little bit of groceries that you have. All right, now you're done. You're going to pat it dry. The key for the seasoning to really stick on the salmon, it has to be dry and not wet. Okay, and that's how you're gonna get it really crispy too. Once you're done, drizzle some olive oil all over it. Mix it all together. Now to season, I'm using my Cajun Crush seasoning, the best seasoning in town, okay? If you haven't get your hands on one, please go to my website, islandvibecooking.com to get yours, or you can use any Cajun seasoning that you have. Because my Cajun seasoning is low sodium, I'm adding a little pinch of salt, okay? But honestly, if you don't like salt like that, you can literally just use it as is. Once I'm done, I'm going to flip it over and make sure every part of that salmon really get the seasoning. Let's add a little bit more. I'm very heavy-handed with the seasoning because last video, a lot of you guys were saying, oh, that's a lot of seasoning. It's just me. You don't really have to, honestly, because I like it heavily seasoned, but you don't need that much. Just going to mix it. Now we're going to air fry it. You can bake it if you like. You can pan sear it, but I like to just pop it in the air fryer. You don't have to worry about it. So I'm just going to transfer it. I'm just going to place it just like this. Make sure they're not touching each other. That way they can be nice and crispy. Now I get a lot of questions about this air fryer. The link will be below. It's not sponsored. I just love using it. As I always say, this air fryer is my go-to. As you can see, I'm always using it. Perfect, very spacious. It's really good. Now we're going to close it. Now I'm going to air fry this for about 15 minutes on 350. Time to make the Bang Bang sauce. It is the most delicious sauce that goes really well with the salmon. You can do it for shrimp as well. So let's get into it. We're going to start with some mayonnaise, about half a cup. I have some sweet chili sauce, about 3 tablespoons. About 2 tablespoons of sriracha sauce, about 1 tablespoon of honey. Smells so good already. About a teaspoon of lime juice, okay? What I like to do is add a little bit of Cajun seasoning to it for more flavor, why not, okay? About a 1/4 teaspoon, just like this, and then you give that a nice mix. Oh. Love this sauce. It's so good. Look at that. Amazing. One thing I forgot to mention, this recipe goes great with rice. So I do have some white rice already cooked. It takes about 15 minutes to make. So while you're cooking that, you can be cooking the rice as well. So my rice is ready. I'll show you guys how to plate it. All right, now my salmon is nice and beautiful and ready. This is how we're looking right now. Nice and crispy on the outside and very flaky on the inside. Let's plate it. If you never tried this dish with avocado, you have to give it a try. I'm gonna show you the way that I like to plate this dish, especially when I make it. All right, now that I have my avocado nice and peeled, I'm going to slice it very thinly. I'm making a avocado flour. You don't have to do that, but it makes the plate looks nice. So I'm just going to slice it like this. Once you're done, going to make it long like this. Now we just curve it like this. Move this piece Making a beautiful flower. And there you go. This is going in the plate. All right, now that we have our avocado flour done, let's plate this beautiful dish. All right, we have the salmon nice and ready. I'm adding my rice. Like I said, I had some cooked white rice nice and ready. And now I'm going in with my avocado flour here. Look at that, beautiful, right? And also I have some seaweed. This is optional, but it goes great. Like I said, this is a nice, delicious, complete, easy meal that you can make. Perfect. I'm going to drizzle the sauce on top. That looks so good. I'm adding some sesame seeds. And also, I'm adding some pepper flakes for color. This is optional, okay? How pretty is this? Do you see how gorgeous, how delicious this plate looks? Now tell me you're gonna try this because what? Less than 30 minutes. Let's give it a try, y'all, because my mouth is literally watering. Ooh. So good. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe as much as I did because this came out so fire. I see a lot of you guys loving this when I don't feel like cooking series. Let me know what other recipe y'all want to see because I love this. Anyways, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up for me. And also don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.